Welcome to the top best. The best Madagascar Centella is probably one of the most talked about skincare ingredients right now, and for good reason. This amazing extract, derived from the heart of Madagascar, is celebrated for its soothing and healing properties. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Madagascar Centella, exploring its benefits, and helping you decide if it's the right choice for your skin. Get ready to discover the secret to calm, radiant skin. Number 5. Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Travel Kit. This travel kit includes everything you need for your skincare routine. It has cleansing foam, cleansing oil, toner, ampoule, and cream. You can take care of your skin from start to finish with this set. Each product in this kit is a mini version, all under 1.01 fl/ounce. This makes it perfect for travel, allowing you to bring them on a plane. Take these little buddies with you wherever you go. This kit features products from the Madagascar Centella line. It's designed to refresh and soothe your skin. The key ingredient, Centella Asiatica, is extracted from Madagascar. Packing for trips can be stressful, but this kit simplifies things. It organizes your skincare essentials in one compact pouch. You can even add a sheet mask or two. This is a great gift for anyone who loves skincare. It's ideal for mothers or women who are always on the go. The compact size makes it a thoughtful and practical present. What we like? This travel kit is your perfect skincare companion on the go. It includes everything you need in mini sizes, making it ideal for travel. If you are a frequent traveler or someone who loves to try new products without committing to full sizes, this is a must-have. It's convenient and effective, ensuring your skin stays happy wherever you are. What people say. The Madagascar Centella Asiatica 100 Ampoule is a great product for soothing irritated skin. It has a lightweight texture and absorbs quickly into the skin. It helps to calm redness and inflammation. Number 4. Skin 1004 Hyalu-Cica Blue Serum. This serum provides intense and lasting hydration. It helps keep your skin soft, smooth, and moisturized all day long. The Hyalu-Cica formula contains 5 types of hyaluronic acid. This formula delivers deep hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's infused with ceramide biome and pantolactone. These ingredients help support your skin's moisture barrier, maintaining a healthy complexion. Formulated with Centella Asiatica leaf water and ivy leaf extract. These ingredients help comfort your skin and enhance its natural radiance, giving you a healthy glow. Use this serum daily. Apply an appropriate amount gently in the direction of your skin texture. Inspired by the pure lands of Madagascar. The serum delivers calm and comfort with ingredients that capture nature's untouched beauty, bringing gentle balance to your skin. The product is dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic. It's made with skin-friendly ingredients, free from harmful additives, making it safe for daily use, even on sensitive skin. What we like? This serum offers intense, long-lasting hydration thanks to its Hyalu-Cica formula. It also supports your skin's natural barrier, promoting a healthy complexion. If you have dry or dehydrated skin, or if you're looking for a serum that provides both hydration and barrier support, you should definitely consider it. It will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and radiant. What people say. The Madagascar Centella Asiatica 100 Ampoule is a great product for soothing irritated skin. It helps to calm down redness and inflammation. The ampoule has a lightweight, watery texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 3. Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule. Introducing the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule. It's formulated with pure Centella Asiatica extract from Madagascar. This helps calm delicate skin and supports a balanced complexion. This lightweight serum absorbs quickly without stickiness. It replenishes moisture and reinforces the skin barrier. This provides lasting softness and protection. Use this ampoule daily for a radiant finish. It promotes a healthy-looking glow and smooth texture. It's the ideal facial serum for your skincare routine. Simply drop an appropriate amount onto your skin. Then, evenly apply it and pat to promote absorption. It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Inspired by the pure lands of Madagascar, this product delivers calm and comfort. The ingredients capture nature's untouched beauty. It brings gentle balance to your skin. What we like. This ampoule is packed with pure Centella Asiatica extract from Madagascar, known for its calming properties. It also provides hydration and helps reinforce your skin's barrier. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a product to soothe and balance your skin, it's a great choice. It will leave your skin feeling refreshed and comfortable. What people say. The Madagascar Centella Asiatica 100 ampoule is a great product for soothing irritated skin. It helps to calm redness and inflammation. The ampoule has a lightweight, watery texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 2. Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Asiatica Ampoule Serum. Introducing Skin 1004's signature ampoule. This product is designed for those with acne-prone and sensitive skin. It provides soothing and hydration to your skin. This ampoule has a light, watery texture. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a sticky residue. You will love how it feels on your skin. The secret lies in the Madagascar Centella Asiatica. It contains 7 times more soothing actives than other Centella Asiatica. This helps to calm irritated skin effectively. Experience immediate relief for sensitive skin. This product instantly calms and hydrates, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine. The key ingredients include water, glycerin, butylene glycol, Centella Asiatica extract, 1,2-hexanetyl, cellulose gum, and ethylhexyl glycerin. These ingredients work together to soothe and hydrate your skin. What we like. This ampoule is specifically designed to soothe acne-prone and sensitive skin. It has a light, watery texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. If you struggle with breakouts or have easily irritated skin, this is a fantastic option. It will calm and hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling balanced and comfortable. What people say. The Madagascar Centella Asiatica 100 ampoule is a great product for soothing irritated skin. It has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It effectively calms redness and inflammation. Number 1. Skin 1004 Tone Glowing Capsule Ampoule. This ampoule is formulated with niacinamide and tranexamic acid. It helps support a fresh and well-conditioned appearance. This makes it a versatile option for your daily skincare routine. Infused with Madagascar Centella Asiatica, this serum soothes delicate skin. It also reinforces the skin barrier. This makes it a gentle option for everyday use. This capsule ampoule blends made white capsules into a refreshing hydrating serum. It absorbs smoothly without stickiness, leaving your skin soft and supple. Simply drop an appropriate amount onto your skin. Then, evenly apply and pat gently to promote absorption. It's easy to incorporate into your routine. Inspired by the pure lands of Madagascar, this product delivers calm and comfort. It uses ingredients that capture nature's untouched beauty, bringing gentle balance to your skin. Skin 1004 products are dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic. They are made with skin-friendly ingredients, free from harmful additives. This makes it safe for daily use, even on sensitive skin. What we like. This capsule ampoule is formulated with niacinamide and tranexamic acid to promote a healthy-looking complexion. It also contains Madagascar Centella Asiatica to soothe and support your skin's barrier. If you're looking to brighten your skin tone and improve its overall health, this is a great choice. It will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and radiant. What people say. The Madagascar Centella Asiatica 100 ampoule is a great product for soothing irritated skin. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly. It has a very simple ingredient list. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.